you all know, feedback is an essential part of effective learning. It helps the students understand what you have studied so far and provides them with clear guidance on how to improve their learning and performance. It's also beneficial for instructors to see how teaching practice can be improved and which teaching and learning strategies are most effective for their students. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add voice record feedback for your students on Turnitin. Click on the assignment link you want to grade. When you click on the pencil, the similarity report, or the title of the paper icon, the Feedback Studio will be open in a new window. Click on the Summary Feedback and click on the Record to start recording. Something you need to remember here is that you can only record a maximum of 3 minutes. Click on Stop when you are finished. If you are not satisfied with the recording, you can delete it and try again. Click on the Save icon and then add the grade into the grade field using the rubric. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. Please email arc@westcliff.edu if you have any questions.